guys, it's Gwyneth. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys these 5 easy sleek hairstyles perfect for greasy hair. So let's just get right to it, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Alright, let's just get started with greasy hair. I think these sleek hairstyles do work best with greasy hair. So let's just get started with the first hairstyle. You're going to want to brush your hair out. I'm using this Goody cushion brush, which is my favorite to brush my hair out with. And this one's super simple. You just have to part your hair down the middle and then just use your fingers and put your hair behind your ears. That's basically it. Now for the second hairstyle, you're going to want to part your hair down the side. If you want to part it down the middle, that's fine. I'm using this sleek brush from Goody also, just to put my hair in a low ponytail. I love this brush just because it leaves my hair all shiny, if you guys can tell. And then you want to brush your hair out as smooth as possible, and once you're done, you're going to tie it with a hair tie. But we're not done yet. You're going to want to take a piece of hair from the bottom of your hair tie and then wrap it around the base of your ponytail. It's just going to give it a more sleek look. And once you're done, you're going to want to pin that in with a bobby pin. Now for the third hairstyle, you're going to want to repeat the first few steps from the last hairstyle to create a ponytail, and then all you have to do is twist that ponytail into a low bun, and then whenever you're done, you're going to tie that off with a hair tie. I do have layers in my hair, so I got a few pieces of hair sticking out. All you want to do is use a bobby pin to pin that down, and then you're done. Now for this fourth hairstyle, which is a top knot, I like to spray my hair with water, mostly the roots, so that when I brush it up into a ponytail, it's easier and it's much more sleek. And then I find it helpful to bend my head down towards the floor just to tie my hair up so that it's much more smooth. And then once I'm done, I use an elastic to tie that up, and then you're going to want to twist your hair just like the same as the last hairstyle into a bun. Whenever you're done, I like to use another elastic. I like to use two so that it's more secure. And yeah, here's me getting all excited. So I like to pull down some of my baby hairs, and I also like to spray my hair once again, smooth it out, and then brush out my baby hairs also. I use a different brush for this, but I can't find it, but the sleek brush works just fine. And then I also like to use gel, but I chose not to for the video because I'm doing another hairstyle. Then I'm using hairspray to spray that down, brush it again, and that's it. Now for the last hairstyle, probably the hardest one, is the sleek back hairstyle. You're going to want to brush out your hair. It's kind of a trial and error with this. I just use gel and combing back my hair with my fingers. It's all about how you shape it, and then once you get the shape that you like, you just spray it down, and that's basically it. Alright, and that's 5 easy sleek hairstyles. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!